Okay, so we're doing a little collaboration video here with Andy, the tractor tire guy on YouTube. If you haven't seen his channel, you should check it out. So this here is some sort of a tool that they use when they're changing a wheel loader tire, I guess. And apparently you got to push in on a lock ring or the ring that holds the tire on, and there's an O-ring in there that seals it. So you push the ring back and you can access the O-ring to change that. But the problem is this is too thick here. We got to neck this down to inch. So the first thought was we just mill a big chunk out of there, but then we're afraid it's going to crack, which is good worry. So we're going to take and taper it down, or bevel it, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if you can really see the white there, but it's going to be an inch down here, tapering up to nothing here. And then it allows them to get into that lock ring or push that lock ring better, or whatever the hell they're doing. So we'll do that next. Okay, here's our hokey setup. One end of it goes to this little stop. This is so we can repeatedly set it up. We got another stop here with this piece of inch stock there. That sets our angle for the bevel. And then we clamp it down with these couple toe clamps on each side. So we'll show you what that looks like in a second. Okay, here's our janky setup. We got really no support out here. It doesn't chatter too much, so we'll see how bad it chatters here. Pretty thick shit. But this is where we're going to bevel it off, so I really can't clamp it down too good. So we'll check it out. Alright, let's watch this action here. This should be interesting. Now I know a little bit about this guy. This guy's already done one off camera to make sure he's going to be able to do it on camera. So he should go pretty good, but looks like quite a few sparks coming off there. I don't know what causes that. Oh, now he's going backwards. That's not a good idea to do that. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Go the right direction. Trying to take a pretty healthy cut for a clapped out old Bridgeport too. Yeah, look at the sparks coming off there. Maybe you ought to check that out soon. Just keep going with it. Oh, that tripped the breaker now. Yeah, maybe something's running hard. Just taking too big a cut. Good chance of that too. Yeah, look at those sparks come off there. I don't think it's a grinder wheel. Yeah, it's going to try to get the life out. Oh, stall the machine again. Well, now he's going to maybe check it out. Oh, yeah, he's not going to take that out and change bits, is he? Yeah, I think he did. He tried to sneak that in there off camera. Oh yeah, look at it cut now. Doesn't throw sparks near as bad. Imagine that. Maybe he's just taking a reasonable cut now. I don't know what he's up to. Oh, now he's decided to change up. He's going to go slower now. Oh, he decided that's not going to work. He'll go back speeding up. Oh, now it's sparking again. So he probably just dulled the head, doing something stupid, trying something new. Because it was working fine. Let's start monkeying with it. Alright, well that's kind of starting to look respectable. Oh, looks like that piece is done. Can measure it? Yeah, it's coming out. Good go. Oh yeah, so now he's got to remachine the first part to match the second part because he didn't machine the first part back far enough, or his repeatable setup is not quite repeatable as he thought. I don't know what his problem is. If anybody's got any idea, please comment. Yeah, now that's sparking pretty good again. Okay, that should take care of that one. All right, let's listen to this nonsense.
Product. We took and beveled that down to 1 inch out here on the end. Hold that up there. That's 1 inch there, up to nothing. And then this hooks, I guess it hooks onto a boom or something that they pick up the tires with, or like a little knuckle boom crane thing. I think they got different attachments for lifting tires and doing different things. Maybe Andy will do you a video on the crane truck or the tire truck someday. Show you what's on it, what the tools do, stuff like that. That'd be a pretty good video. Okay, here's the two pieces with the bevel on them. So this job's done. Once again, don't know what they're for, but maybe the tire guy will do a video on tire tools someday. We'll learn about that. Maybe not. Who knows? Who gives a shit?